Good morning student. In today's video we will see a new topic, that is decision making. So let's start. The decision making is done by the if-else statement. In computer program, it's often desirable to execute a certain section of code based upon whether the specified condition is true or false. Now see the syntax. Syntax means way of writing. Here we have written if expression. Expression means condition. So condition will be depends upon the question or queries. If the condition is satisfied, the statement whatever we will write, it will execute. Otherwise else part will be execute. So else is nothing but otherwise part. Now say the syntax over here. Suppose test is a variable whose value is 5. As an integer data type we have declared. Now check the expression. If test is less than 10, that means if 5 is less than 10, condition is true, so this statement will execute. If it is false, then else part will execute. Now how else part will execute? See in this part. Again we have declared the value 5 in a variable test. I have changed certain expression. Test is greater than 10. Instead of less than, we have written over here greater than. That means this one is a false. So here else part will be executed. On this way it is come. Now by doing a program, let's check. Question is here. Write a Java program to input a number, and we have to check whether the number is positive number or negative number. Whether it is positive or negative. So here as it is we have written in the Java editor, we have written here. One package first is called for input the value. We have created a new class by the name of check, that is user defined class. Now curly braces is start, public static void main string argss, because within this area we will write the code. We are calling scanner class. Now one variable I have taken by the name of num. First of all me printing the message enter a number so that the user can understand what to be done. In the variable num we are storing, here we have written num is greater than 0, then the message will be print this one, the number is positive, else this number message will be print the number is not a positive or number is negative. On this way it will execute. Just keep it, remember, either if else will be execute or else will execute. Both cannot be true, either true or false. Next is multiple if. In Java we have if else if later. So this is the syntax. If first condition, if it is true, this statement will execute and it will be terminate. If this statement is false, it will be checked in next part. If it is not true again, then it will be checked over here in the third part. All condition are false, then else part will execute. So this is multiple if, or sometimes is called as if else if statement. By doing the program example, we are checking over here whether the number is positive number, negative number, or the number is 0. So here multiple statement will be executed. See in this class by the name of class ladder we have taken public static void main. This is a similar message is flash, enter a number, the user is entering the number value and it will store here. If the number is greater than 0, this message will be print. If the number is less than 0, this message will be print. Otherwise if both are false, then else part will be executed. On this way multiple if statement. In next video we will see the multiple if and the rest of the control statement, switch, etc. Till then, take care.